Hello, everybody out there on the interwebs. This is PA Country Joe with all things PA, and we're doing a little unboxing today, little unboxing review. I had put a video out a little while ago about how I had lost my knife, which is everyday carry for me. I explained how I just felt naked without one. I wanted to see if anybody would maybe send in one for me to check out or something, but I'll be honest, nobody sent me a knife, so I had to go pick up my own. And I went and picked up a Kershaw because I had a Kershaw Ken Onion that I had lost. I've always liked Kershaw. So I went and picked this one up. This is the Cryo 2 in black. They have it in silver. That's the Kershaw. Let's get it out of the box here. Now, I did handle one in the store, so I knew it's nice. It's a little bit heavier than my other knife, which leads me to believe I'll realize it's missing, maybe. It has a quick clip on it, which I really like. If you're, if it's self-defense and you're holding somebody off, you can't sit there and get your knife out and, you pull it out, flip it, and you're ready to go. If you're out the outdoors and you're holding onto a rope or a string or a branch and you need to cut something, it's so much easier to get out one-handed with that quick flip on it. And it's totally legal. It's not a switchblade. It has a nice finger guard, which is for if your hand slips right here. It has some gnarls on the body here, which I really like. My other one didn't have that. So if your hands are all mucky, you're not going to slip off and go onto the blade, because that could be really bad and end up in the hospital. It's got gnarls up here on the top of the blade and on the top of the body for your thumb to be on, which I really like that. That and the guard. And here it has some gnarls. You can put a lanyard on it. Looks like it's got 2 holes, so you can maybe put it to a spear if you wanted to. Let's see, 1556 is the steel I think they're using, and it's the patented Hinderer design that this is. I really like this knife. It's a little bit, like I said, heavier than my other one for everyday carry, but I wanted something a little bit heavier. The Ken Onion edition, if you've seen it, is very sleek, very slender. It's more for when you're dressed up nice to go out, kind of. It's not for out in the woods. You'll break that blade so easy on that thing. I've actually broke one, the first one I had. So this is the Ken Onion Cryo 2. You, just like a lot of other knives, you push over on the bottom there and it'll close on you. Now, I think this is a really great knife so far. Now, one of the things that I will be honest about is PA Country Joe always tries to buy American, but I know you're laughing right now and chuckling because you know how that's almost impossible anymore. So Kershaw, I'm really sure, somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm really sure they were always American before. And I just had a Kershaw. My brother Paul, my late brother Paul, always carried a Kershaw. So I like the Kershaw brand. I like their knives. But I was kind of upset when I was reading here. I saw that it was Tualatin, Oregon, USA. And I was like, yes, USA company. And then I saw at the very end of it, just a little while ago, when I was looking at this thing getting ready here, made in China. You just can't get away from it. It's this loophole where they put a screw in, to finish it here in America, and now it's an American product that was made in China. I really think they should close them loopholes. I really think it should be either American or it should be China. You make your choice. If you don't have the money for American, I understand, you buy China, but if you have the money, you want to buy American, you can do so. So anyway, let's do a little sharpness test on this. I've had a lot of knives that I've gotten out of the box that have burrs on it pretty good from factory. It's not like they're making them by hand. I got a piece of newspaper here. I like to press Enterprise. I like using newspaper because it's very delicate. Now that folks is impressive. I gotta say, that is impressive for a factory blade. I gotta clean all this up now. That's impressive, I gotta say. At least it's really sharp. At least it's well made. It's all steel, so I don't see anything that can happen with it. So that's my unboxing of the Kershaw Cryo 2. I'll let you know, like I usually do, in 6 months here or something. We'll do a little review on it and see how it's held up, the things I like about it, things I don't like about it. But if you want to check out the Kershaw Cryo 2, check it out. I think it's a good knife, but be aware, made in China officially. So stay positive out there. Be sure to check out All Things PA and have a great day.